Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Russia's formal acknowledgement of the two separatist areas in eastern Ukraine has ended any hope of a diplomatic solution. The US, UK, and EU are currently preparing sanctions. Large equity markets in Asia-Pacific were down more than 1%. Europe's Stoxx 600 fell and then filled the gap. It is now trying to reverse a three-day slide. S&P futures have recouped the majority of their earlier declines, while NASDAQ futures are down about 0.4%. The major currencies are higher due to the Antipodeans and Scandis Sterling, the Swiss franc, and the yen are experiencing modest losses. Gold rose to new heights just above $1,914, but was sold to $1,895 in early European turnover, where new bids emerge. Crude oil rose on the news, and the April WTI contract was close to $95. Asian Pacific market. Japan has seen a record number of fatalities, with the delayed booster rollout threatening support for Japan's cabinet. According to the latest poll, there was an 8.3% drop in support for Japan's cabinet at 43.4%. The US dollar was supported in early Asia at JPY 114.50. This is its lowest level in nearly 3 weeks. It has recovered to JPY 114.90. It will trade below JPY 115.15 if it does not make it to the fifth session's lower highs. The Australian dollar is stable at $0.7200, but it is below its previous highs of $0.7225. Market of Europe. The February IFO survey in Germany was more positive than expected. From 96.2, the current assessment has improved to 98.6. This is the first increase in 6 months. Initially, the euro was close to last week's low, but it rebounded well and is now near 1.1345 in late morning turnover in Europe. Yesterday, sterling closed above $1.36. This was the second time it has done so since 19th January. It was then sold in Asia for almost $1.3550. It recovered in the early European turnover to nearly $1.3600. Market of America. Geopolitical developments are the main topic of conversation today, even though foreign exchange market reactions are surprising. There are many economic events on the calendar, including the February PMI preliminary reading and the Conference Board's consumer confidence poll. Also due is the Richmond Fed Manufacturing Survey. Although the PMI may be most important to the market, it is unlikely that it will have any significant impact on today's market. Canada's Prime Minister Trudeau will continue to have emergency powers for a few days, even though protests in downtown Ottawa have ended and the border crossings have been reopened. The central bank will meet on 2nd March. Reacting to Russian news, the US dollar climbed to CAD 1.2770 for 5 days. However, it was sold in Europe to CAD 1.2725. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.